Hey everyone, welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure, and we are continuing our series of the wig of the day and me installing and putting on my wigs and what I do to make them mine. So thanks for joining, and I hope you enjoyed today's install. Today we're doing Sassy from Renee of Paris in the color Plum Dandy. So this is Sassy. Cute. Let's just see a quick cap. She is a basic cap, so nothing here, no lace, no anything, just basic. This is, the whole cap is actually close wefted, but it's just a very basic cap. We've got the velvet ears and a little bit of extended nape and Velcro. But yeah, it's all closed, so all closed wefted. Okay, and this is Plum Dandy. So let's, you know the drill, shake her up. Oh, how about if I put my cap on? So I'm using this. It is not making me hot at all. It's very, very comfortable. Actually, I feel like I don't even have anything on my head. And I've been wearing these wigs 12, 14 hours. And it does not feel like I have anything on my head. So I am absolutely highly recommend this. It's stopping. I don't have any more of that, you know, pulling it up in the back. None of that. So definitely highly recommend this wig grip. Get her to shake up a little more. All right, so here's what we got. Let's see, Sassy. And I tuck it, when I put it on, I tuck it right underneath that wig grip so that it really locks it in back there. And that's, I think, what's helping it not move at all. Oh, this is cute. Isn't this adorable? Oh, so cute. And Sassy has no permatease. Uh-oh, what is Pamela gonna do with no permatease? I think I'm in love with permatease. I'm gonna have to change my lipstick. This red does not go. So, yeah, bad choice on that, Pamela. So, let's, just gonna wet it just to see if there's any kind of curl, anything like that. Do I have any? There's a actually there's a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit right here. Tiny, tiny bit. Actually feels a little bumpy. I hope it doesn't look weird. Yeah, just a tiny, tiny bit right there. A little bit right here. It's a weird place. Yeah, nothing here. Yeah, just a real little bit, like all right here. That's weird, huh? All right, and which way? I didn't look at her stock photo to see which way she's supposed to part, but definitely looking like this is where she wants to go. So, do we got crisscross lines in there? Yeah, let's just comb that out a little bit. Cross it over this way. I think she goes this way. Yep, seems to be. Let's see. It's got like a little bit of some side swept bangs here. And she's cute. She's got like a little bit of a flip. Oh my God, this lipstick is bad. Bad, bad choice. Total, total clash. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of dry shampoo in here just to see if I could get some texture. Again, I'm just using the Batiste. I think I'm gonna use that Tressolore wax today. Yeah, see how the dry shampoo just gives it a little bit of texture. A little bit of lift helps a little bit. So I gotta have just a little bit of body. Okay, so that helped a little bit. I don't know if I want more than that, because the style doesn't have a lot of permatease, so. I don't know if I'm like this flip coming in or not. I wonder if this was heat friendly. Yeah, so am I gonna be okay with no body? I gotta go for it. This is the Tressolore wig wax. I think I may use Peace Out cream for some of these bangs. See if I could get just a little more body into it. Yeah, I don't know where that piece wants to go. I think it wants to go more on this side. Okay. This lipstick's driving me crazy because it's totally clashing. So, like, I can't even focus on the hair because I'm just seeing how terrible this lipstick looks. Oh, actually, maybe I should check to see that I've got it in right. Probably need to pull it down a little bit. Okay, so this is Sassy. She's cute. Yeah, I think that's all I want to do with her. She's doesn't have permatease, so I'm not going to get a lot of body and lift. Right? Yeah, I think she's cute. All right, and I'm going to try a different hairspray today. I'm going to try the John Renault number 4. Okay? Okay, just to see if I can get it to stay a little bit. Yeah, I think that's it. I can't say, I mean, this is cute, not my favorite. This is not my favorite, and I'm hoping that it's just the lipstick and not that I don't really like it, but I don't know, this is not my favorite on me, for sure. But we're gonna rock it today because she's cute, right? Okay, this was quick and easy today. This is Sassy from Renee of Paris in Plum Dandy, and I will let you know how she goes for the rest of the day. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Everyone, welcome back. This is my check-in for the night. This was my outfit for the day. Just wanted to kind of show you what I looked like. This was what I wore. And this is what Sassy looks like. And I gotta tell you, I was not a big fan of Sassy. Very, she's too flat for me. But I'll still wear her. I'll do different hairdos with her, but this was Sassy. She didn't give me any problems. She just really, style-wise, she's just very flat. It's probably midnight again, and I put her on at, what, 8:30 this morning, so very long day for me. And I'm not hot. I don't feel like I have a wig on. They're all very light, and I'm kind of attributing it to the cap that I'm wearing, you know, because I am wearing that full, the wig grip cap, where it's the grip and the cap together. It's just really like covering my head, where it just really feels like I got maybe like a hat on. Not even that. But, yeah, she was, I mean, she's very pretty. You know, the girls at work thought she was cute. They were laughing because they said, you know, I am sassy every day. So, I guess my reputation precedes me. But I said, no, I'm just sassy for today. Anyway. So yeah, I just wanted to check in. I didn't do anything else with her. I did not have any problems. She wore well. I just, probably style-wise, I'd probably give her maybe like a 7 for me. I loved the color though. Like the color was really pretty. You know, I just kind of wish I got this in a different style. But, you know, who knows? Next month I may like flat. Like I could have put her behind my ears and pinned her up, or, you know, done something different with her. But I definitely will next time, because I wasn't, I mean, I didn't hate the way I looked today, but I wasn't, you know, I didn't feel like my best. You know, and I thought the outfit was really cute, but she did okay. So anyway, that's my check-in. Just wanted to check in and tell you how the day went and how Sassy did. And she's an easy behind your ears. I probably should have put her behind my ears. I would have liked it a little better. And I actually went on webcam today for my meetings at my regular job during the day. So I joined a lot of those in webcam. So, all right. Anyway, thank you. Bye. Good night.